Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my dog park business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is, well, I'm just going to pretty much walk y'all through 2 or 3 of the updates that I've made to the template. And at the end of the video, if you are interested in purchasing my dog park business plan template, I will also provide y'all with the link to be able to do so. All right, so with that said, let's zip through some of these updates. So the first update that I made to my dog park business plan template is I updated the industry research for 2023. So the industry research that I conducted for the dog park business dog park business plan template was in the pet grooming, boarding, and other services. And I got all my research from IBIS World. IBIS World is the industry leader in, well, industry research. And there is no subcategory for dog parks because it is small, although it is growing substantially over the last few years, but it is a small subcomponent of this industry. And so this is the broader industry that I've conducted the research. Not only did I conduct research in this industry, but I updated it for the coming year. So the revenue, so some of the information that I updated was the revenues, so revenue projection for the industry, profits for the industry, profit margins for the industry, number of competitors, employment, and wages. So that's just some of the information that I updated in the industry research. Typically, the industry research in my templates is about a page, and so that information has been updated accordingly. The next thing that I updated for the dog park business plan template is I added or expanded the industry research. Specifically, I added a product and services segmentation. So I'm showing that, again, IBIS World, they went out and they did the research, and they were able to identify the revenues are broken into several categories. Pet boarding, pet grooming, pet training, and then they've got an other category which encompasses about 46% of all revenues for the industry. So there is a lot of other services, but it's very very fragmented. So in other words, there's just a lot of services that people are providing for pet owners. The next section, the final section or final update that I've made to my dog park business plan template is I've given y'all more opportunities to customize the profit and loss statement for the first year. Specifically, what I did is I went ahead and created a bottom section to the profit and loss statement. And in this section right here, you are now able to change the revenue growth from the previous month to the next month. So, for example, month 1 is static because it's already updated in the information tab. But if you want to change your revenues from month 1 to month 2, instead of at 1.25%, you can change it to 2%, or you can lower it to 0.5%, and you can do that for each one of the subsequent months for the first 12 months. So it gives you an opportunity to better customize your financial projections for your first 12 months to better reflect your vision for your financials for the company. All right, so let's wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you do buy my dog park business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a tutorial, and the tutorial is in a separate video. It also comes with a basic financial model that's customized for the industry, as well as a tutorial on how to use it, and that is located on my website. And then also I do provide y'all with numerous business plan template tutorials, how to customize it and how to use my various tutorials. You can find the different tutorials on this link right here. And then there are some limitations for my business plan templates. First, they are not compatible with Google Docs, and they are not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And then also, if y'all have any questions or comments or concerns, you want to have a conversation before you buy my dog park business plan template, be delighted to have a conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. However, after you purchase the template, I do not offer free phone support. So if you do need some help or you want some help in filling out the dog park business plan template, I do charge for those services. And let's go ahead and wrap it up. Finally, if you do want to buy my dog park business plan template, the link right here will just go to that link, and you are able to purchase the dog park business plan template and download it immediately. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for the dog park or do your financial projections for the dog park, I would be delighted to do so. Again, give me a call, give me a call, somebody text, send me email, or go to this link right here for my prices. This is my prices page for custom business plan writing as well as pro forma financial projections. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money.